Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to use Google AI mode and create images step by step. This method is very simple and perfect for beginners. First open Google in your browser. Now go to the top right corner and click on the Google app. After clicking, you will see different options like account, drive, Gmail, YouTube, Gemini, Maps, search, calendar, news. Now click on the Google search. This will open the main Google search page. Now click on the AI mode button. After clicking AI mode, you will see different Gemini 3 models. Here you will see two main options, fast and pro. Fast, this give quick answers. Pro, this is better for advanced thinking and creative result. Right now I will select the fast. You can also see option like all, images, videos, news and more. If you click on the more, you will see extra options like books and finance. Here is the prompt box. You can type anything here to get information or result. If you click on this plus icon, you will see more options. Upload image, upload file, create images. Since we want to create AI images, click on create images. Now write your prompt here. For example, modern logo design for Rashid Tech Hub. Glowing neon lights, dark background, modern digital style, high quality and high quality 4K. Modern logo design for RashidTechHub, glowing neon lights, dark background, modern digital style and high quality. After writing the prompt, press enter. Now the AI will start generating your image. Use Nano Banana 2, sorry. Let's wait and see the result. Very fast. As you can see, the image is ready. You can also upload your own image and edit is using AI. You can also use the microphone icon to speak instead of typing. This make it even easier to use. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Control.